Best 3D Printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The original Prusa MK4 3D printer kit is an advanced yet beginner-friendly DIY 3D printing kit, perfect for those looking to dive into the world of 3D printing or upgrade their current setup. The kit provides everything needed to assemble and operate the printer, making the building process both fun and educational. With a removable print sheet for easy removal of prints, the 4 Malawian kwaches ensures convenience and ease of use. The printer features automatic calibration, simplifying the setup and fine-tuning of the machine to guarantee accurate prints without the need for manual adjustments. This feature enhances user experience, especially for beginners who are still getting familiar with 3D printing processes. The 4 Malawian kwaches boasts a print size of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, offering a spacious build area for creating larger or more intricate projects. The kit also includes a filament sample, allowing users to start printing immediately after assembly. This ensures that users can experiment with different materials and designs right out of the box. Known for its high-quality performance, the Prusa 4 Malawian kwaches is equipped with a reliable and precise extruder, ensuring clean, detailed prints with consistent results. Its strong community support and open-source design allow users to easily find resources and upgrades for the printer. In summary, the original Prusa 4 Malawian kwaches 3D printer kit is a versatile, high-performance 3D printer that offers both fun assembly and ease of use. Its automatic calibration, large print size, and excellent print quality make it a top choice for beginners and experienced users alike, while the removable print sheet and included filament sample provide a hassle-free start. Number 2. The Creality Ender-3 V3 3D printer is a powerful and feature-packed DIY 3D printer, designed for users who seek high-quality prints with enhanced ease of use. It offers 250 mm per second printing speed, enabling fast and efficient printing without compromising precision, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and experienced users. One of its key features is the CR Touch Auto Leveling, which ensures accurate first layers by automatically leveling the bed. This feature simplifies the setup process and reduces the need for manual adjustments, providing a hassle-free printing experience. The Sprite Direct Extruder further enhances performance by improving extrusion consistency and reducing the likelihood of clogs, while the Autoload filament feature adds convenience, as it automatically loads the filament, saving time and effort. The dual Z-axis and Y-axis system offers enhanced stability, resulting in smoother prints and reducing the chances of layer shifting during printing. The printer provides a spacious printing size of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, allowing users to create larger or more complex models with ease. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is known for its reliable print quality, ease of assembly, and community support. It features a sturdy frame and open-source design, allowing for future upgrades and modifications. The printer's intuitive touchscreen interface makes it user-friendly and accessible to all skill levels. In summary, the Creality Ender-3 V3 is an excellent DIY 3D printer that combines speed, precision, and convenience. With features like CR Touch Auto Leveling, a Sprite Direct Extruder, dual-axis stability, and a generous print size, it's a top choice for anyone looking to achieve high-quality prints with minimal effort. Number 3. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is a high-performance, user-friendly machine designed for those who prioritize speed and precision in their 3D printing projects. With an impressive 500 mm per second high-speed printing, it can produce detailed prints much faster than many standard 3D printers, making it an ideal choice for time-sensitive projects or large-volume printing. Equipped with an all-metal hot end, the M5C supports up to 300 degrees Celsius printing, allowing it to handle a wide variety of filaments, including advanced materials like ABS, PTG, and TPU. This versatility enables users to explore different printing options, from functional prototypes to artistic designs. The printer features 7x7 auto leveling, ensuring consistent print quality by automatically calibrating the print bed to eliminate issues related to uneven surfaces. This makes the M5C ideal for both novice and experienced users, as it simplifies the setup and reduces the chance of print failures. With a print volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, the AnkerMake M5C offers ample space for creating a wide range of models, from small, intricate parts to medium-sized objects. The printer can be controlled via multiple devices, such as a smartphone, tablet, or computer, enhancing the user experience with remote management capabilities. In summary, the AnkerMake M5C 3D printer stands out for its high-speed performance, precision, and ease of use. Its all-metal hot end, 7x7 auto-leveling, and multi-device control make it a versatile tool for users looking to achieve quality prints quickly and efficiently, while the ability to support a wide range of filaments adds flexibility to any 3D printing project. Number 4. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is a compact yet powerful FDM 3D printer designed for high-speed and precise printing. It supports multicolor 3D printing, allowing users to create detailed and vibrant models with ease. The setup process is quick, with the printer designed to be ready in just 20 minutes, making it ideal for those who want to start printing without a lengthy assembly process. Equipped with full auto calibration and active flow rate compensation, the A1 Mini ensures consistent and reliable print quality. The auto calibration feature simplifies the setup, while the flow rate compensation maintains precise material extrusion, helping to prevent common printing issues like clogging or inconsistent layers. These advanced features make the printer suitable for both beginners and experienced users. The high-speed printing capabilities of the A1 Mini make it a great option for users who need fast turnaround times without sacrificing print quality. It delivers prints with impressive precision, ensuring that intricate details are captured accurately in every project. Operating at a noise level of less than or equal to 48 dB, the A1 Mini is relatively quiet compared to many other 3D printers, making it suitable for home or office environments where noise might be a concern. With its combination of speed, precision, and ease of use, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is a great choice for those looking for a compact and efficient printer that can handle multicolor prints and deliver consistent results with minimal effort. Number 5. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit is a user-friendly, high-performance 3D printer designed for both home and school use. It features a swappable Smart Extruder Plus, which ensures consistent and reliable extrusion for fast PLA material printing. This extruder is designed to make setup and maintenance easier, as it can be easily swapped out for minimal downtime. The printer is optimized for PLA filament, which is ideal for educational and prototyping applications due to its ease of use and environmental friendliness. The factory-level flex build plate offers a convenient and hassle-free printing experience. The plate is pre-leveled during the manufacturing process, ensuring accurate prints without the need for manual bed calibration. Additionally, the flexible nature of the build plate allows users to easily remove prints once completed, reducing the risk of damage and simplifying cleanup. With a print size of 11.6 by 7.6 by 6.5 inches, the MakerBot Replicator Plus offers a spacious build area suitable for a wide range of projects, from educational models to prototypes. This print volume is large enough for most standard 3D printing tasks while maintaining a compact desktop footprint. The Replicator Plus is designed for ease of use, with a simple setup process and intuitive controls, making it ideal for users of all skill levels. It also comes with MakerBot's ecosystem of apps and tools, which help streamline the 3D printing process and enhance the user experience. In summary, the MakerBot Replicator Plus is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and easy-to-use 3D printer for educational, home, or professional purposes. Its swappable Smart Extruder Plus, factory-leveled flex build plate, and generous print size make it a versatile option for various printing needs.